Hey there, amazing people. Welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on any of our exciting reviews and adventures. Today, we're diving into the world of outdoor comfort with the Ultralight Detachable Portable Lightweight Chair. Let me tell you, this chair is a game changer for anyone who loves spending time in nature, whether it's for fishing, camping, BBs, gardening or hiking. First off, let's talk about the construction. This chair is made with premium aluminum alloy and nylon material, making it super durable and able to support up to 350 pounds in weight. So no matter your size or shape, this chair has got your back literally. Not only is it sturdy, but it's also incredibly lightweight, coming in at just 2.0 pounds. That means you can easily pack it up and take it with you on any adventure without feeling like you're lugging around a heavy piece of equipment. Setting it up is a breeze too. The folding design makes it easy to unpack and set up, so you can spend less time fiddling with the chair and more time enjoying the great outdoors. And let's talk about comfort. The material of the seat conforms to the shape of your body, providing you with the ultimate comfort no matter where you are. It's like sitting on a cloud, I'm telling you. Whether you're a backpacker, tailgater, hiker, camper or concert goer, this chair is the perfect buddy for all your adventures. It's compact, convenient and also comfortable. Trust me, once you try out this Ultralight Detachable Portable Lightweight Chair, you'll wonder how you ever managed without it. So wait. Click the link in the description to get your hands on one of these amazing chairs and take your outdoor experience to the next level. Don't miss out, your future self will thank you for it. Let's do this.